Violence erupts in Edo community as youths protesting insecurity target Hausa quarters, burn down houses. This news is coming from Sahara Reporters. That incident happened few days ago in Auchi community in Edo State. Auchi people are complaining that there is too much kidnapping in that their community. They always complain that kidnappers are kidnapping their people and that those kidnappers are demanding hundreds of millions. And because of that, the youths of Auchi community became angry and they started targeting Hausa quarters. And because kidnapping don't do too much for that place, the community started attacking Hausa Fulani people that are living in that their space. Auchi people, they feel say now only this Hausa Fulani people go fit they do this kind thing. In the north, now those Hausa Fulani people they do kidnapping. So many of the ones that have been caught in the southeast and in the south doing kidnapping now them. So because of that, now why those Auchi people started attacking Hausa Fulani people in their community. They started attacking them, burning their houses. That is all those their plank house where they build. They started burning everything down, destroying everything. Asari Dokubo said that Igbo people are the ones killing Hausa Fulani people in the southeast and in the south. Because of the hate that Asari Dokubo have for the Igbo, he started saying that Igbo people were the ones that attacked those Hausa Fulani people in River State. And so many Northerners listening to him, they all supported him because all of them get the same mindset. Igbo people are the easiest people for them to attack in Nigeria. Northerners, you people should see that the attack in Auchi was done by Auchi people. The one that happened in Uromi in Esan land was done by Esan people. Ijaw people from Otuoke community in Bayelsa State had a conflict with Hausa Fulani people. All this conflict not involve Igbo people. Why is it that some Northerners still believe that Igbo people are the ones having issue with Hausa Fulani people in the south? Me no say all those trouble na Hausa Fulani people where they stay those places they cause am. But I'm here to tell you people that Asari Dokubo said that Igbo people are the ones attacking Hausa quarters all over the southeast and the south. All these ones where they happen now, including this one where happen for Auchi. Now Igbo people do am no. But instead, some people are quick to call Igbo people. Now Igbo people they attack Hausa Fulani people. Hausa Fulani people not they drink water drop cup for Igbo land. They not they drink water drop cup for south. If Asari Dokubo see this post now, you go talk say those things are not done by Auchi people. Auchi people are Muslims. The king of Auchi community is a Muslim. They are not the ones that did that. It's the Igbo people that live in Auchi that did that. Other people will be say the day for this south, they believe say na Igbo people, now they do all those things. A day will come, that thing will happen for their own community. The last time, this same incident happened for Asaba, where Hausa Fulani people started attacking Asaba residents along Koka. They even killed one woman for the incident. Hausa Fulani people killed the woman for that violence. Another one happened after Okwe Junction, like say they go on nature from Asaba. Hausa Fulani people, they started another violence, injuring people, attacking people. Why is it that it's only Hausa Fulani people? The one wey happen for Auchi now, people go talk say, but Hausa Fulani people, they on their own now. All those Auchi people start to attack them. Why they no go attack on a way be say na kidnapping they take no na for Nigeria? Now wetin una they do? People go take no na. As e be say kidnapping they go on for that Auchi. Which people you think say Auchi people go they suspect? Now they go they suspect because that is what so many of you Hausa Fulani people do. With the way Auchi people they do now, they don't know say Auchi people not be Otuoke people for Bayelsa State where una cut them, they run enter bush. Auchi people, when it comes to aggression, they get aggression. The reason why people from southern Nigeria are scared to live around this Hausa Fulani people is because they too they thief. They too dey stab people to death. They too dey kill people. They dey kidnap people. Nobody dey like pass Hausa quarters for night because of stealing and kidnapping. Now why they dey suspect una? Igbo people are the ones attacking Hausa Fulani people all over the south. Now Igbo people attack Hausa Fulani quarters for Auchi? No. Now Igbo people and Hausa Fulani people now fight for Otoke community for Bayelsa State? No. The one wey happen for Uromi? Now Igbo people? No. So those people that are always blaming Igbo people in Nigeria whenever there is an issue between Hausa Fulani people and other people in southern Nigeria, make una take una tongue, count on her teeth. When you support evil, that evil go reach your tongue one day. All the time, Hausa Fulani people now so they will gather for one place. No be say that they do better work for where dem dey. You no go pass to dey drive bike, to dey drive keke, to dey sell carrots, to dey sell tiger nuts. They do iron condemn. That is the only thing they do. Everywhere where they dey, now so it dey smell. Anywhere where they dey, now so you go to hear of violence, stealing, kidnapping. And when the people of that community attack una now, if anything sup, now so una go to start to look for a way to attack Igbo people wey live for northern Nigeria, because now Igbo people plenty pass and only them una go fit attack easily. Because now so it take days since the creation of Nigeria attacking Igbo all the time. Small time now, Arewa youth leader, that boy wey no get sense, go come out online say Igbo people attacked our people in Auchi in Edo State. Mad people everywhere.